Okay. Wait lang, babasahin ko. Legend says that there were 8 warships carrying the people of Atlantis and evacuated towards 4 different directions. They use different symbols to locate their location.
Okay, ito yung symbols. Tapos, meron dyan sa floor eh.
Oh my gosh. Hirap nga, no?
Yan.
Wait, ilang codes kaya
Four
pwede
numbers
ilagay?
lang, no?
Okay, bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
9.
Pero feeling ko may kinalaman siya dun eh. O sige, try muna natin yan. Sige.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ito, susunod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Try natin. Hindi eh.
Or kung ilan yung mga symbols.
Feeling ko i-add siya dito eh.
Warships?
Feeling ko ito yung keypad eh. Masyadong madami kung lahat, no?
Help!
Baka i-add.
Or may katapat.